Hi everybody, and welcome to today's video where I will show you how to do a treble crochet stitch. The treble crochet stitch is a very tall stitch. With this example you can see some of the basic crochet stitches, for example the slip stitch, the single crochet, the half double crochet, double crochet, and the tall treble crochet that I will show you today. For this video I made a foundation row of single crochets, so we will turn our work, and because the treble crochet is such a tall stitch we will start off by chain 3. 1, 2, 3. If you remember correctly with the double crochet you yarn over once. But for the treble crochet we will yarn over twice. So it will be yarn over and yarn over again. Including this chain you will have 3 loops on your hook. Okay, you will insert it in the space of the stitch below, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops on your hook. Now you will have 3 loops, yarn over again, pull through 2 loops, and you will have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, and pull it through both loops. And there's your tall treble crochet. Let's do it once more. Yarn over twice, 1, 2, insert it in the space of the stitch in the previous row. You will yarn over, pull it through, and you will have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over, pull it through 2 loops, yarn over a third time, and pull it through the remaining 2 loops on your hook. And there you have it. Please remember to like this video, leave a comment, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. And please have a look out for more videos to come.